Hello everybody, Jean back with more moon anomalies. Did I find a crashed saucer-shaped craft on the central peak of Gassendi on the moon? LRO acquired this image during October 2009 and I've zoomed in on the object we'll be taking a closer look at in this region. And the write-up, NASA calls this Gassendi's central peak. Also, interestingly enough, they featured this anomaly in their write-up. To quote, during the Apollo era, Gassendi crater was one of the two primary landing site alternatives to the Apollo 17 site at Taurus Littrow. The candidate location was south of the westmost of Gassendi's central peak. So they were considering landing in this area, and the anomaly we're looking at is located in this region, and on the central peak of the circular depression. Here it is zoomed out, so it's not to scale, and while I speculate this might be a craft, we don't see an origin point at which the boulder started rolling. Whatever this object is located here came in at a very low angle from some elevation and gradually started touching the surface until it started leaving a trench and then came to a standstill over here. And if we look at the front side of this rounded saucer-shaped craft, perhaps, we can see really straight edges, and also it seems as if this part is slightly tilted up, with that side there being partially buried in regolith. So it looks as if it came in at quite a slow speed, left the top of a trench and then came to a standstill here, and then from the momentum of the regolith it covered the back side of this object, and it measures about 25 meters in diameter. If we zoom in on it, we can see this very well defined edge, and also in the center there, it looks as if there's like a little hole or something. A little rectangular object on the side, maybe that's a little hatch. Who knows what this is? We've got some right angles in some of these parts. That could be JPEG artifacts, but check out this edge. It's almost like a little hexagon shaped object. The rounded corners and slightly elevated above the surface, and also there we can see a rounded part covered in this darker material. So let's check out this area in Google Earth Moon, and we'll be going through to the southern hemisphere, and there it is in this region. Just turn on the high-res mosaic, go up to some elevation. See if there's a stitching error over here where they joined those two photographs together. So it looks as if that object came in at a low angle, relatively low speed, came to a standstill on top of this peak, which makes sense because it is at a higher elevation than the surroundings. I think that concludes the video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you for watching. Do let me know in the comments what you guys and girls make of this anomaly. I'll be back soon with more. I've been busy restoring a Commodore VIC-20 So I just haven't had too much time with these anomalies. So thanks again, and I'll be back. Bye bye for now.